Is it possible to transfer my FACEIT points to another account or player in CSGO?
Welcome to another video tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss whether it's possible to transfer your FACEIT points to another account or player in CSGO. We'll break down the answer into sections to make it easier to follow.
What are FACEIT points?
First, let's quickly go over what FACEIT points are. FACEIT is a platform that hosts competitive gaming leagues and tournaments for games like CSGO. Players can earn points through various activities, like participating in tournaments, completing missions, or winning prizes. These points can then be redeemed for in-game skins, hardware, or other gaming-related items in the FACEIT Shop.
Can I transfer my FACEIT points to another account or player?
Now, let's get to the main question. Is it possible to transfer FACEIT points to another account or player in CSGO? Unfortunately, the answer is no. FACEIT points are tied to the individual account that earned them and cannot be transferred to another account or player. This policy is in place to prevent potential abuse and maintain the integrity of the system.
What can I do with my FACEIT points?
Since you can't transfer your points, you might be wondering what you can do with them. As mentioned earlier, you can redeem your points for various rewards in the FACEIT Shop. Some examples of rewards include in-game skins for CSGO, gaming hardware, e.g., keyboards, mice, headsets. FACEIT Premium subscriptions make sure to keep an eye on the shop, as new items and offers are added regularly. In conclusion, while it would be great to share your hard-earned FACEIT points with friends or other players, it is not possible to transfer them. Remember to use your points wisely in the FACEIT Shop and enjoy the rewards that you've earned through your dedication to competitive gaming.